Are you weary of the same old allergy treatments and longing for natural, holistic alternatives? Well, you've come to the right place. Today we're diving deep into the realm of homeopathy, a natural system of medicine that can serve as a potential solution for your allergy woes. First things first, what exactly is homeopathy? It's a holistic system of medicine that's been around for over 200 years. Its name is derived from two Greek words, homoios, which means similar, and pathos, which means suffering. Homeopathy operates on the principle of like cures like. Essentially, a substance that can cause symptoms in a healthy person can be used to treat similar symptoms in a sick person. Now, you're probably wondering how this applies to allergies. Allergies occur when your immune system overreacts to substances called allergens. These can be anything from pollen and dust mites to certain foods and medicines. They trigger an immune response, causing symptoms like sneezing, itching, and inflammation. Homeopathy steps in here. It aims to stimulate your body's natural defenses, helping it learn how to react more appropriately to these allergens. Homeopathic remedies are derived from plants, minerals, or animals, and are prepared in a unique way that involves a series of dilutions and vigorous shaking, known as potentization. Now onto some common homeopathic remedies for allergies. For example, allium cepa, made from red onion, is often used for symptoms such as watery eyes and a runny nose. Euphrasia, derived from the plant eyebright, is typically recommended for eye irritation. Remember, each person's reaction to allergens is unique, and so the remedy must be tailored to match the individual's symptoms. Therefore, it's always best to consult with a homeopathic practitioner who can guide you to the most suitable remedy. Beyond remedies, embracing a holistic lifestyle can also assist in managing and preventing allergies. This might involve eating a balanced, nutrient-rich diet, maintaining a clean living environment, practicing stress management techniques, and getting regular exercise. In summary, homeopathy offers a natural and holistic approach to allergy relief, working by stimulating the body's own defenses. It provides individualized remedies derived from natural sources, and when combined with a healthy lifestyle, it can greatly assist in managing and even preventing allergies. Thank you for joining us today in exploring homeopathy and its potential for allergy relief. Remember, health is a journey, not a destination. So stay curious, keep learning, and always strive for balance. Until next time, take care of yourself and embrace the power of nature.